Code Red Robotics is excited to be celebrating 10 years of impacting people for their inspiration and recognition of science and technology. Our decade of impact can be compared to a countdown. We're all familiar with the rhythm of a countdown, but ultimately a countdown is pointing toward the goal it was created for. In the same way, our 10 years of impact have been about the goal of inspiring our students and the community. 10 is the number of returning students Code Red had this year for NRG.
NRG stands for Next Robotics Generation, and it's a program that we put together for 4th to 6th graders who we will eventually want to be on our FTC teams, and we create a game for them, and we design it, and we write the manuals and create the animations and everything.
9 is the minimum number of times FTC students practice their presentation with FRC students to prepare for a competition. Along with mentoring FTC students in CAD, we help them write their engineering notebooks. 8. To serve our community, we help distribute food to over 150 people from 8 different food stations every month at a mobile food pantry.
Well, at Food Truck, we hand out food to people who can't really afford it, and I think it's a really rewarding experience for me because I get to see people smile and be happy, and that makes me feel really good as a person.
7. At the GR Baker Fair every fall, Code Red inspires our community about STEM with 7 different activities in our display, from playing catch with the robot to earning a robot driver's license. 6. At our NRG Robotics summer camps, we play 6 different problem-solving and teamwork games with the kids, along with building an Arduino robot.
My favorite thing about NRG is working with the kids. What makes the whole thing for me is seeing their faces light up when they realize, hey, I'm actually building a robot. Whoa, this is so cool.
5. Code Red inspires our community about FIRST and STEM at least 5 robot demonstrations each year. We highlight our robots, our teams, and our passion to the Byron Days Festival, the Art Prize Robotics Showcase, and a variety of other local events. 4. Code Red's ongoing service to our FIRST community can also be seen in the 4 rookie teams we have assisted just in the last 2 years. A practice we have done with many other rookie teams in the last decade. 3. Code Red's FIRST community service continues at 3 types of events where Code Red volunteers. We volunteer at FTC and FRC events as MCs, referees, and field reset. We assist in organizing our local off-season events as well. 2. At the Fall Robotics Workshop at Byron Center High School, over 200 attendees attended 2 workshops out of the 11 that were offered. 1. There is one component of Code Red that makes everything we do as a team possible: our sponsors. Without our sponsors who generously donate our build space, robot parts, maintenance products, and funds, Code Red would not be able to make our 10 years of impact happen. The attainment of a countdown and a milestone both bring about an ultimate goal for which the countdown was designed. Just as a countdown leads to a blast-off, looking back at the 10 years of impact highlights the sustained and measurable impact of Code Red. The ultimate reward, however, is in the many smiles, the thank yous, and friends we've made along the way. That's why Code Red Robotics is building robots to build better people.